are pleased to show you the 2016 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, Uconnect hands-free group, tachometer, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.